How to solve gallery video not playing on Android. Hey everybody, what's up? In today's video, we are going to find a solution on how we can fix that issue. So without any delay, let's start. With that, what you can do is you can head over to your main settings of your device, open it up, and then once you open up settings, you can scroll down and go over to the section of apps, look at that up and tap on it. And then once you open up your apps, the next thing you can do is select up your video player from the given apps. So wait for this to load up first. And you can go ahead and search for video players from here, or you can directly go ahead and use the search bar at the very top of your screen and look out for that. I already found it, so you can just go ahead and locate that up and tap on it. After it is tapped, here we have this video. So what you can do is you can clear the cache and data. So go over the stories for that and look for clear cache, tap on it. Similarly, you can tap on clear data as well, and that should do it. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and reopen your application, your video or gallery application, and check the playback again, and that should probably fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.